Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to change your design to full size in Canva. Whether we are adjusting an existing project or preparing a file for printing, switching to the correct page size keeps everything properly aligned and looking professional. On the Canva dashboard, to resize an existing design or change the size of a page, all we need to do is click the Resize button in the upper left corner. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on paid plans, so make sure we have one active. For example, if we want to resize the design, we select the option and adjust it to the size we need. To do this, we just click on More and find the size we want to use. If we want to change it to A4, we simply click on A4. Once everything is set, we click the Resize button. If the Resize option is not visible, it means we do not have a paid plan. But if we do, we can go ahead and click Resize. This will update all the pages in our project at once. And that is how we change a design to A4 size in Canva. The layout is now ready for print or sharing.